Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name. Yellow color, blue color, red color, yellow ochre color, black color, green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 2. Kids now draw 3, and again use yellow color. 4, the numbers of 4. Kids now draw 5, and again use yellow color. Kids now draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use blue color. 7, the numbers of 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8, the numbers of 8. 9, the numbers of 9. 10, the numbers of 10, and again use blue color. Kids now draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use red color. 12, the numbers of 12. Kids again use red color and draw 13, the numbers of 13. 14, the numbers of 14. Kids again use red color and draw 15, the numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16, the numbers of 16, and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 17, the numbers of 17. 18, the numbers of 18. Kids now draw 19, the numbers of 19, and again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw 20, the numbers of 20, and again use yellow ochre color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.